All right. Today, we are back with a new reaction to somebody completely new to me, MIRAVI, if I'm not mistaken. But we are about to get introduced. So, much love, guys. Without further ado, let's get to it. All right, what's up, y'all? What is good? Prada West in his house. Welcome to the Paid Corner Podcast and Reactions. Much love, guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you are new to the channel, do me the favor of subscribing, turning on that bell button for notifications. This way you get notified of all the new drops on the channel. I generally drop a new reaction every day and then some of my own music weekly or bi-weekly, so tune in with me. If you are new, do me the favor of subscribing. After you subscribe, take the time to check out some of my music videos on the channel too. If you like R&B and hip-hop, you might like some of mine. Appreciate your time, guys. Much love. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Thank you again for tuning in. Today we are back with a reaction to somebody brand new to me. I believe it looks like it's pronounced MIRAVI, if I'm not mistaken. And I did look a little bit into the song. I found some other reactors reacting to this song. I believe the name of it's a Russian song, if I'm not mistaken. It's a song called "The Noise of the Noise of the Birch Trees" or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. So excuse me if I am. I apologize, but I'm just new to this artist and trying to figure out all of the context around it. So without further ado, guys, shout out to this person right here for the suggestion. I appreciate you. Much love to everybody for the suggestions, and let's get to it. Here we go. Ooh, I love the acoustic. It's my favorite instrument. MIRAVI and Merab, I believe. Yeah, Merab is the two people, MIRAVI and Merab.
Свет берез в моем сердце всегда.
Wow.
Этот свет берез.
What a voice.
Свет берез по дорогам земным, как любовь пронес, как любовь к нашей доброй земле сквозь порывы гроз на ветру.
Ooh, I just got shivers up my spine.
Шум берез.
You can hear the sound of the birches. Yeah, the birch trees.
Шум берез для меня навсегда это песни звук. Шум берез, 100 зеленых ветвей, 100 надежных рук. Шум берез — это голос любви сквозь печаль разлук. Смолкло все.
This is beautiful.
Шум берез слышу.
Свет любви для меня навсегда. Это свет берез.
Свет любви на дорогах земных, ты его сберег. Шум берез среди гор и морей, среди всех дорог.
День и ночь.
Шум берез слышу я.
So beautiful, man. Holy.
Шум берез среди гор и морей, среди всех дорог. День и ночь.
Шум берез
слышу я.
Their voices mesh so well together. right. That's it. That's all. That is her. Yeah, yo. So I got to dig into this and find out the context of it. It is the noise of the birch trees. That is okay. So the lyrics are here. Okay, here it is. Lyrics in English. It is sound of birches. That's what it is. Okay. Color of birches is always in my heart. The color of birches. It's like love to our kind earth. Through the thunderstorms on the wind, I can hear the sound of birches. I did read the lyrics as they were displayed in the subtitles as we played the song, but I'm just trying to get a grasp on what the context is of the song because I'm unofficial of what it is about. I believe it might be about the country, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm going to look up the name of the song here because I need to know the context of it. But that was phenomenal. The two of them sound so beautiful together. Like their voices completely coincide like one. It's just insane how beautiful they sound together. So I got to get familiar with these artists. So the woman is MIRAVI. And I believe Vlada Miravi. That's what I see. Her name here is on this channel. And the gentleman is Merab. Okay, so I just got to get familiar with these artists. Because that was beautifully done. So I don't see any context specifically here on it. I want to see if I can find... I'm Googling to see what I can find here now. I got to find a better way to stream too here pretty soon. Time to step up the computer game. That's going to be my next investment, guys. Brand new computer. Something that's like super jammed with a whole excess of RAM. So I can stream without it glitching and, But anyways. MIRAVI. I'm going to see if I can find just anything on MIRAVI in particular. MIRAVI. Okay, here she is. MIRAVI. Vlada Miravi. Yeah, okay, so I believe her first name is Vlada. Is there like a website for her or anything? I'm just trying to figure out the context of this song. MIRAVI. Okay, I'm going to look up the name of this song. MIRAVI. What is the context? What is the meaning of MIRAVI's song? Noise of birches. Let's see. It's so beautiful. Okay. Here it is. Okay, so let's see. I found it on Genius. Let's see if I could find anything on Genius. No. No, it says nothing. Okay, here's... I found something on Reddit. Let's see if there's a discussion about it here. Okay. Okay, so this is just somebody guessing what it is. See, like, I don't want to even read this out loud because yeah. See, this isn't even about the actual... I don't even think it's about the actual correct... Nah, I'm not going to read that because I don't know. Let's see. Okay, here, I found something else. Genius questions and discussions about the song. Let's see if... okay, here we go. Questions and answers. When did MIRAVI and Merab release? Dang it. I'm not finding anything. The song was so they're phenomenal. His voice is so distinct. Wow. Very, very, very unique voice he has. I love how low pitched he sings. Merab's phenomenal too, but it doesn't show me anything. I'm trying to find everything here on it. MIRAVI. English translation. Okay, lyrics translation. Here we go. All right. Contributions, the translation. It doesn't say anything about the details of the song. Okay, so I want to kind of take some context from this Reddit forum here, though. Oh, no, because it's Taylor Swift. This is about Taylor Swift. Yeah, I see nothing. Nothing on it, guys. No, nothing. Yeah, I can't find anything. Sorry, man. I can't find anything. Google is failing me right now. Like, what the heck is going on? MIRAVI song, Noise of Birches. The Sound of Birches. Okay. Okay, so I believe it is a song about Russia. I believe it is a song. See, that's what I thought. So I found this thing called, it's the Folk Music Experience, week number 7. It says The Birch Tree from Russia. Okay, so it says the week's folk song is the traditional song Little Birch Tree. Birch tree or baraza is an important symbol in Russian culture. It means spring, light, and beauty. Ancient Russian Slavs believed that birch trees had special spirits that would protect them, so they planted them around their villages. Okay, so yeah, it is the birch trees, and that's what it is. It's about the meaning of the birch trees that they have in Russia, and the belief that they had in how they believed spring, light, and beauty, and brought beauty to the land and light. So that's what they're praising, is their land, where they're from, so in the country. So that's cool. See, now I kind of get it. I had to dig to find anything about that. Dang, man. Okay, so we kind of got the context, a little bit of it anyways. It could have a deeper meaning from, I'm not 100% sure though, but cool, man. Anyways, thanks, guys. I appreciate your time. Much love for tuning in. Thank you for the suggestion. I appreciate you. Much love to all you subscribers. So today, like I said, completely new. Give me some more suggestions of these guys to check out, because they are phenomenal. I'm going to dig a little deeper into them and their history and whatnot. So much love, guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you are new to the channel, do me the favor of subscribing, turning on that bell button for notifications. This way you get notified of all the new drops on the channel. I generally drop a new reaction every day, and then some of my own music weekly or bi-weekly. So please, once you subscribe, do me the favor of taking the time to check out some of my music videos on the channel. I got a ton on here. If you like hip-hop and R&B and rap a little bit, then you might like some of mine. So check me out. Thanks for subscribing either way. Appreciate you. Shout out to the previous subscribers and members. You can also become a member of the channel. It's a monthly paid subscription for like $5 a month. You get, if you're a fan of mine, you get exclusive perks of my original music and videos. You get to see those well before they come out, before anybody does. You get discounts on my merch on my website, prodawest.com. Check me out there. Lots of cool merch on the website. So much love to you guys. Appreciate you. And do me the favor of smashing that thumbs up button if you enjoyed the reaction. Helps the algorithm. Love you guys, and leave me some more suggestions. Until the next video, I love you guys. Much love. Until the next one. Peace. I like to repeat myself.
I go places, but I can't get there. I see things that isn't there. I do things that's out of the ordinary for a human being. You're crazy.